There are 17 essential elements required for plant growth. 9 macronutrients, greater than 10 mmol per kilogram dry weight: carbon, oxygen, H, nitrogen, sulfur, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium. 8 micronutrients, less than 10 mmol per kilogram dry weight. Elements includes chlorine, iron, boron, manganese, zinc, copper, molybdenum, nickel. All mineral nutrients make up less than 4% of plant mass, yet plant growth is very sensitive to nutrient deficiency. Hydrogen, oxygen and carbon are not considered as mineral nutrients. However, these are studied under macronutrients. Micronutrients are present in very low concentrations, but still essential because of specialized roles in metabolism. Soil's particles are generally negatively charged and so bind positively charged nutrient ions, cations. Cation exchange capacity refers to a soil's ability to bind cations. Roots provide large surface area for nutrient uptake. Root hairs. When plants take up nutrients from the soil through their root systems, the nutrients are depleted in the immediate vicinity of the roots. This creates a concentration gradient, with higher nutrient levels in the bulk soil farther away from the roots and lower nutrient levels in the soil surrounding the roots. The formation of depletion zones is a natural process that occurs due to the uptake of nutrients by plant roots. As plants absorb nutrients, they create a zone around their roots where the nutrient concentrations are reduced. This is because the roots selectively take up the nutrients they need for growth and metabolism, leaving behind lower concentrations in the surrounding soil. Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza, also known as arbuscular mycorrhiza, is a type of mycorrhizal association formed between plant roots and fungi. Inside the root, the vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza fungi form an intercellular mycelium. The intercellular mycelium increases the surface area available for nutrient exchange. Vesicles are rounded structures that contain reserve materials such as lipids and glycogen. These vesicles serve as storage organs for the fungi. Outside the root, VAM fungi produce multinucleate spores, which are the reproductive structures of the fungus. Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza fungi also produce hyphae that extend into the surrounding soil, exploring a larger volume of soil and increasing nutrient absorption capacity. The hyphae can form thick runners that spread horizontally through the soil and filamentous hyphae that branch out and explore the soil matrix in search of nutrients. The absence of essential elements causes deficiency symptoms. Essential nutrients are necessary for the proper metabolic functions of plants. When there is a deficiency of these nutrients, characteristic symptoms can be observed. Typical deficiency responses include chlorosis, which is the yellowing of leaves and can be an early sign of nutrient deficiency, and necrosis, which is the death of plant tissue. The concentration of essential nutrients in plant tissues is critical for optimal growth. When nutrient concentrations are below critical level, plants may experience stunted growth, reduced yield, or other negative effects.